girl?
I'm doing great. It's just I'm super exhausted. I've been neglecting my hair. It's super dry, and you already know what day is it today.
Girl, I am so ready to get this wash day done.
I completely agree with you.
Let's jump into it.
My brothers, one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this? Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Right inside the basement. Said it's 4 AM, still with wavy tweaking bases. Learn this shit ourselves on my own time, I made shifts. Shooting for the moon, gon' turn this Honda to a spaceship. Shorty won't fuck with me, I just wanna get some rain and sleep. Shit a little free, yeah. Say what I want, then I get what I want. It's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I gotta double them C's. She wanna put it on me. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. Took my ass up out of school, I knew I had to make some moves. Got that pressure on me, turn anxiety to diamonds. Demons make it hard to close my eyelids. Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screen once again. And in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys what you just watched, which is a little montage, a little collaboration that I did with her hair Glory. She is a South African YouTuber and content creator. And the company that has sponsored this video is a SisterFlo Natural. Basically, that's who we are featuring in today's video. So I'm going to be going through the products that you guys saw me using, and I don't know. I think my brain is generating a giveaway. Is that a giveaway I'm detecting? I think I want to do a giveaway. I want to do a hair accessory. Should I? Let me know. Let me know if I should, because I'm in the mood of being nice and being thankful and being grateful. Let me know if you want me to do a natural hair accessory giveaway, and you just might never know. You might just never know. So let us first start. So the first thing that you saw her hair Glory use, don't you worry, I'm going to be linking all of her social media stuff in my description box, so don't you worry about it, or they will start popping up somewhere here. Okay, so what you saw is the first thing that she used to pre-poo her hair is this reversible shower cap / satin shower cap situation. So this is how it looks. It's lined outside like so, and then inside it's a shower cap. Now you can wear this when you're taking a shower and your hair will still be protected, because at the end of the day, it's about understanding that your natural hair constantly needs to be protected. And what is the best material for your natural hair? It will definitely be silk, if not satin. Okay, so this is how you would basically look. Obviously you won't look like me, I look ridiculous. You will look beautiful, you're just gorgeous. So this is how you're gonna look, all right? And you can flip it around this side if you're going to be pre-pooing. All right, so if you're going to be pre-pooing, which I'm going to be showing you guys how I pre-poo soon. So this is how you wear it. All right, this is how you wear it. I have my laptop on the side so that I can look at the prices. So if you see me going like this just now, I'm just looking at my laptop. Okay, so these shower caps retail for 50 Rand. That is very affordable, and it lasts you forever. And the cool thing about it is that it's a multi-use. All of the products I'm going to be showing you are mostly multi-use, so you know, get you one of these. I use it religiously. You guys have seen me use it. I've been using it since I received these products, so I absolutely love it. I've been reviewing them offline, so you guys now will never come in front of the camera and like recommend something that I haven't used myself. Then the second thing are these head wraps. So I've been wearing this purple scarf, I don't know for how long now, probably a month and a half, I think. Absolutely love it. I think the cool thing about it is that it doesn't actually slip out, and I think what also helps this is the satin pillowcase that you guys saw in the little montage. I think you guys know how to fasten a duke. I think I don't have to show you how to do that, but this is how you would wear it. So this is how it looks. It's quite huge, so even if you've got braids and stuff, I'm sure this comes in different sizes. This actually retails for 150. This is a satin scarf. The silk ones retail for 200 because I just mentioned that it's kind of made from animals. And then you also have the African printed satin scarves, which I'll show somewhere here. And then we also got durags. So females can also wear durags. By the way, my little sister loves wearing durags. Maybe I should actually get her a few so she can show you guys. So this is, you guys saw me, you guys saw me in the montage. Why am I even wearing this again for y'all? No, just know that my edges are always constantly protected, honey. And mind you, I sleep like a ninja, okay? So my blankets, you'll find them on the floor. My pillows, I sleep with lots of pillows because I want to cuddle myself and all that kind of stuff. So like, you know, pillows are very, I don't know, but I have like chronic back problems, so sleeping with pillows is something that I constantly have to do, and I'm used to it. It's just weird when I don't have like 5 pillows on my bed as I go to bed. Okay, you know what I mean? I don't know, am I the only one that uses like pillows to get like really comfy and all that kind of stuff? Let me know, okay? I don't want to come here and seem like a weirdo. Okay, then we've got my favorite product, product, which are these microfiber towels. Now let me tell you, y'all, you know, every time I wash my hair and I have to use a t-shirt, goodbye, gone are those days. Forget me and using t-shirts. What? I have upgraded to microfiber towels. The cool thing about this, again, it's reversible. So when you're drying your hair, this is how you would wear it. So obviously you want, if you're going to be drying your hair, you want this side to be the one that is that's the one that's gonna be thingy. So this is how you wear it. I'm just showing you a quick demo, right? So this is how you would go. This is how you go. Check me out, and then just like that, you're done. That was literally less than 30 seconds. You know what I'm trying to say? I can't hear myself. This thing's making a noise, but you guys get the drill, right? So I love this, and the cool thing about it, I've been using it for my wash days. Guys, you're not going to be dripping water over here. Once this is unsecured, like it won't slip out, your hair is going to dry. And the cool thing about it, it keeps, I don't know what the heck she put in this material, but it actually retains the moisture. Like, there was one time I had to run errands, right? Okay, I didn't really have to run errands, but I had to leave the house and I left with this on. Y'all don't mind me, I'm not married, so I can walk around like this. And my hair was in this thing for about 3 hours, but when I took it off, my hair was, it retained the water for one, but not like dripping, but like my hair was still somewhat like, you know, still moisturized and all that kind of good stuff. I was pretty happy. I was shocked, actually. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was actually shocked. Then how you can wear this also is if you are going to pre-poo again and maybe you don't want to use this, then you can use this as kind of like a, you know, a those heating bonnets that have like those cool material inside, and then it kind of works like a hooded dryer, but not really. You can also use this because this material retains warmth, moisture, yonkinto. I absolutely love this, and I think this is what I basically want to give away, because I think every person with natural hair, in fact any kind of hair, you deserve a microfiber towel. This retails for 160 because this is the reversible one. Oh, what I meant to say is that you can wear this side when you are pre-pooing, because I think I'm gonna try it that way. You can wear this side and you don't have to you know, ruin the towel on the side, and you can pre-poo, and then this will work as like a heating little agent. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah, yes you do. And then if you want to buy the microfiber towel that is just normal and not like reversible, then you can just purchase that for 120 rand. All right, then this is the bonnet. This is the reversible bonnet. Absolutely love. This is a cool material, especially when during the winter times. This is an amazing material for you to use. I'm just showing you guys a close-ups of how they look. This is how it looks. You can reverse it to this side. I think I absolutely love the fact that you can wear it on either or side. So you can wear it the pink side. You guys have seen Linda wear this actually on my channel. And then you can wear it on the green side. And that's just the logo over there. So you can just wear that like so. Again, you're not going to look you're gonna look beautiful when you wear it, like me. You see that? You're gonna look gorgeous. So basically, that's how you would wear this one. This retails for, this is a double layered satin bonnet. This retails for 150 rand. And then you've got single layers and you've got African print, all right? And then we're going to move on to the satin pillowcases, okay? And I mean, you guys know the benefits of this. If you don't, just know that natural hair loves luxury. Luxury is satin, is silk. Your hair thrives within those materials. Like, if you rub your hair against cotton, that's, your products are gone. Bye, out of the window, they're gone. But if you're going to be using a satin scarf or a pillowcase, then your hair should remain very moisturized, okay? Last thing is this brush, which I have already dedicated an entire video to. The other thing is that I want you guys to go check out her Hair Glory's channel, because she also, if not, she's already reviewed this. If not, then she probably will review it, and you will see that her hair and my hair are not the same. Her hair loves it. Her hair thrives, okay? Mine didn't. Mine was just like, nope, no ma'am. But I think it's about understanding that different hairs, different textures, thickness, everything matters, you know. And this brush, for me, I already told y'all that it was a no for me. So here's the importance of using silk on your hair, or a satin bonnet or whatever. It actually helps to retain moisture more than anything, and I think that's why I use it. More than that, my edges don't fly off, you know what I mean? My edges don't disappear, because when you don't use the right fabric for your hair, then that's when you start to experience hair loss and all that kind of stuff, especially your edges. So again, before somebody comes for me, that hair doesn't grow here. My hair doesn't grow there. Just stop. The name of Jesus, don't. And I think I want to send 3 of you guys, if not 2 or maybe 1, I don't know, one of these. I don't know, let me know if you guys want them. Let me know if you guys, what you can do though, what you can do for me. In fact, everyone, I'm going to have like a little raffle thing. I want you to go follow SisterFlo Naturals on her Instagram, okay? Comment, tag me on the product that you would like from her page, and then I will pick which one. I'll pick the winner. How about that? So go follow her and then tag me. Tell me why, actually tell me why you want me to buy you that product that you want, that you're gonna pick, and then we will have that conversation and I'll pick my winner. Winner or winners, we will never know. You will pray for me. In fact, I have linked my PayPal, and if you want to see this channel, well, the channel is gonna grow, but if you want to contribute to this channel, because you guys can see where I'm spending my money, it's not like, you know, I'm just like, So if you guys want to contribute anything, really, 100 rand, 200, 300, 7,000, and near 1 million, I am there. Just PayPal me, and I will take that money and create giveaways for you guys. So I try to keep this video less than 13 minutes, but I think I'm already in 13 minutes. Okay, I try to keep it as short as possible, like I always do, and try to keep it as informative as I can. I think I covered everything. Okay, so I hope my ring just fell out. Everything's falling apart in my life, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.